Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone, today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you ready to take your creative work to the next level with the most insane monitor on the market? Look no further than the LG 32U990A-S 32-inch Ultrafine 6K Nano IPS, the world's first 6K monitor with Thunderbolt 5, crafted specifically for creatives who demand more. Imagine editing 6K video with stunning clarity and rich color, or retouching photos with immaculate color and impeccable visual fidelity. The possibilities are endless. This monitor is a game-changer, with versatile connectivity options including Thunderbolt 5, HDMI, DisplayPort 2.1, and USB Type-C ports, making it a powerful workstation hub. Thousands of customers have purchased and reviewed this product, and it's clear why it's so well reviewed. The LG Ultrafine Evo display supports your craft with impeccable visual fidelity. With Display HDR 600, you'll experience brilliant highlights, crisp contrast, and vibrant color accuracy, perfect for color grading, photo retouching, and 3D rendering. The professional color mastery is unparalleled, with up to 99.5% Adobe RGB, 98% DCI-P3, and real 10-bit color depth. Expect ultra-smooth tonal transitions, deeper HDR detail, and consistent results from screen to print. Whether you're a graphic designer, video editor, or 3D artist, this monitor will make you feel like you're working in a whole new world. With crystal clear visuals and stunning color accuracy, you'll be able to see every detail in your work. So why settle for an ordinary monitor when you can have an extraordinary one? Upgrade to the LG 32U990A-S 32-inch Ultrafine 6K Nano IPS and take your creative work to new heights. If this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you like the video.